Hello, Productive Machines is coming to EMO Hannover. We are excited to showcase Sense software in EMO Hannover, and we are looking forward to meeting with the manufacturers. And we will be there myself, Erdem Öztürk, Matthew Sherba, and Christina Sesma. So we are looking forward to meeting you. Matthew, maybe you can say a few things about what we are going to show there.
With our partner Siemens, we've also optimized one of the scavenger pumps. So we'll have a real live demonstration of a part that we'll be showing. It will be on the Siemens stand. We'll be doing live demos, and we welcome you to come in and have a chat with us.
And we have our own very stand as part of the startup area in Hall 6, F18. So come and see us. We have lots of live demos there as well, and we will be showing and sharing how we can increase your productivity and save on machining costs.
Okay, see you there.